So Darius seems happy and Darius is waiting for Cyrus to come out of the room, and Darius tells Cyrus to open the door, but Cyrus is moving things from the closet in the room, and Darius tells that Cyrus is completely remodeling his bedroom, and Darius is waiting for Cyrus outside the room, and Cyrus is in the room for a long time. And Darius thinks that Cyrus might need some help. Then Darius opens the door of the room and Cyrus is busy cleaning the closet, and Darius has not been able to sleep properly due to Cyrus' restlessness. And Cyrus has taken out all the things from the closet, and then suddenly a big suitcase falls on Cyrus from the top of the wardrobe, and it is seen that Cyrus' nose is broken and blood is coming out. And Cyrus' nose does not look good at all, and Cyrus' face is also damaged, and Cyrus is in a lot of pain, and Darius gives Cyrus toilet paper to cover his nose. And Cyrus puts something cold on his nose to stop the bleeding, and Cyrus is in a lot of pain in his face because a very heavy suitcase has fallen on Cyrus' nose. Then Darius wants to take Cyrus to the hospital quickly, and Darius puts a jacket on Cyrus, and Cyrus is screaming in pain, and Cyrus has a lot of wounds on his face. Then Cyrus and Darius come out and are about to go to the doctor. Then they all get in the car and leave for the doctor, and Darius feels that Cyrus' nose has become crooked, and Cyrus is in a lot of pain, and Darius is also very scared, and Cyrus is worried about his nose whether it will heal again or not, while Darius is driving fast and trying to reach the doctor. And Darius is 5 minutes away from the doctor, and Cyrus thinks that I might have to get surgery on my injured nose, and Darius hopes that everything will be fine. But Darius says that first they will have to do an x-ray of Cyrus' nose and find out what the condition of Cyrus' nose is, and Cyrus is very scared after hearing about this surgery. But Darius is reassuring Cyrus that there is nothing to worry about, everything will be easy, but Cyrus does not want to go to the doctor. And Cyrus tells Darius to stop the car, and Cyrus does not want to mess with his nose, and Cyrus is telling Darius to go back home, but Darius feels that it is very important to take Cyrus to the doctor. And Darius also laughs at Cyrus' face while Cyrus has severe pain in his nose and face, and Darius has to rush Cyrus to the hospital.